Stop scrolling. Discover why you should learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript today. IT or information technology is everywhere. From websites to apps, it powers our digital world. But what is IT exactly? Let's break it down. HTML is like the skeleton of a web page. It gives structure. Think of it as the bones holding everything in place. Then comes CSS, the stylist. It makes everything look good by adding colors, fonts, and layouts. Imagine dressing up your skeleton with the coolest outfit. And finally, JavaScript. This one's pure magic. It brings your web page to life with interactivity, like buttons that work and animations that dance. Who uses these? Developers, designers, and even hobbyists. Why? Because they want to create amazing digital experiences. Getting started is easier than you think. Platforms like Code Academy, Free Code Camp, and Khan Academy have free courses to kickstart your journey. Excited? In our next video, we'll dive deep into HTML, so make sure to hit like and subscribe. See you soon.